33.4.
There's 12 of
What's
those.
33.2? Wait.
So what we asked students to do is we asked them to measure this board right here. Now this board is 33 3/4 inches wide, and we wanted to see what they did when they actually were given two different types of tape measures. The first tape measure was just a simple, cheap run-of-the-mill tape measure that you might get for free at an event. And that one is pretty basic. It just has inches and millimeters. Here's the centimeter side, sorry. And on this side, it has the inches broken into 16ths. Over here, we have your typical, workbench, construction type tape measure. And on this tape measure, we wanted to see what they did with it. So let me show you here. This tape measure actually had fractions on it, but also on the top, it had the 16ths as well. Now the fractions down below, the sections down there were actually broken to 32nds. But we wanted to see what students did when they were given an opportunity to measure this board. So the first group that you're going to see is a group of third graders of varying levels. The second group was a fourth grader who is about middle of the road, and a fifth grader who would be probably put into a high ability group because he's very high in mathematics. So hopefully you can see what students are doing. One of the biggest things that I hope you catch is what they do when they're given a measurement that's not exact.
Somebody grab that over there. Is it on the side? It is 33.
Tell me again.
33. See, it's a 33 right there. Is it 33?
Is it exactly 33?
Yeah. No, 2.2 or 3. I don't know.
0.2 or 0.3.
Well, we were curious. We need to know, Devin. Like, this is important.
So like if I wanted to put this in, say, my cabinet, if I measured it to 33 and I cut it, would it fit? Uh-oh.
What do you think, girl? We need you to be serious about this for just about 2 minutes.
Seconds.
I don't know.
Well, what do you think? Is that exactly 33, Revin?
No. Point
0.4?
Okay.
6.
0.6?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe. You're still.
What about looking at this end? What do you notice about that end? What do you
It's
notice?
0 inches.
Is it exactly 0 where it's starting? Revin?
No. I can't look.
Point
at
0.
space thing. I don't know.
Okay. What if we gave you a different tape ruler and would you get the same measure? So
Let's see if you get the same measure.
take that from you.
30 something. 33. I know.
33.6 is what you got on the last one.
No, because this is.
Wait.
What do you think, Julieta?
What do you think about it?
Weird. There's more.
Can I go to 5th grade?
Yeah, there's more.
So what is it now?
What's the measurement then?
More.
If it's more.
You said 33.6 last time. So what do you think it is this time?
33.4.
There's 12 of
What's
those.
33.2? Wait.
33.12.
Where are you
Here,
getting
you go down there. I'll hold
33.2?
this,
You tell
Sophia.
you tell
Go
me.
down there.
You're not going to tell me if you're right or wrong. I just want to
Here,
know.
Roberto, can Sophia get in there too? And she wants to see it.
30. Okay. Do I just count these lines?
You tell us. That's what we want to see what you do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7, 8, maybe
7, 8.
33.
7 or 8.
Oh, yeah, push it in.
Okay. Julie, what do you think?
Wait. I don't know. I see a
You
number.
don't know? If you had to give it a number, how long do you think this board is?
2. There's a 2.
There's a 2 there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there's like 2s all over here. Oh, there's 2 feet.
2 feet, yes. Okay, so what else do you notice, Revin?
2 feet point 10. Because there would be a 10 there because there's 9 like that.
Like
Oh,
2
because you,
feet
so
and
do you think
9
it's
inches or
exactly?
something?
There's the 10, Revin. Is it exactly at the 10?
No, but close.
So
to
2
it.
feet and 9 inches?
Close to it?
12.
Measure this board. That's it.
Measure.
Measure it and tell us how long it is. There's a tape ruler. Make sure
can
you're
start on
using
that.
Yep, you guys go on over there.
And then you're gonna make sure you're using the inches side. So this side is centimeters, right? This side's inches. We wanna know in inches, how long is this board?
Stretch it all over.
Okay.
Do you want me to hold it? Would that be helpful for you? What do you think, Jack? Jack, you tell me what you think first.
I don't know.
If
What
you
do
had
you
a
think? Make
guess,
a guess.
if you had to make a guess, or if you had to say, okay, how long?
34.
34. Okay. What about you, Miliana?
33.11.
33.11. Why do you say 11?
Because if you count the little ones right here, then you get, I don't know how. 14? No, 13.
13. Okay. All right. And Jack, you said 34. Why'd you say 34? You're okay. You're not. There's no. Like I said, there's no wrong. I just want to know why you said 34. There's no. I'm not like we're not upset at you for saying you're wrong or anything. Why did you say 34? What made you say that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay, but why didn't you say 33?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Come on, give me something. Gotta probe him a little more.
That's okay. No.
What do you think? Is it exactly 34?
No.
Okay, so why can't I say 33? Or could I?
You could.
Which one's better, 33 or 34 in your mind?
33.
33. Why is 33 better than 34 when you look at this measure? What makes you say that?
Because it's closer, probably.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to give you a different tool now. Okay? We're going to give you a different tool and see if you get the same measure. It's a different tape measure.
That's bigger.
Bigger.
Oh,
So
wow.
give this one a whirl. See how
Try
long
it.
it is. So you said 33.11 and he said 33 because it's closer to 33.
Let me hold that again.
Yeah.
So how long is it, Miliana? What do you think?
Let's stretch this a little further. Looks a little closer to 34.
So you say it's closer to 34 now?
Yeah.
Okay.
33.12.
33.12. So you're going to say 33.12 compared to the 33.11.
Yeah.
And how did you get that again? What did you do?
I counted all the little ones.
Okay. Okay.
Can I prompt them a step farther?
Yeah, go for it.
What if you look at the bottom lines? What do you notice?
The fractions.
Mm-hmm.
Could you use that to help you?
This one looks like it's on like 58 or 33. 3 over 8. Yeah.
If you use the fractions, what would you say it is?
33 and 3/4.
33 3/4. Okay. So as you can see, our problem is that students just don't know how to read a tape measure. When they read it, you can see their errors in what they're doing. They're rounding up, they're looking at it and using decimals, but they're not really describing how we actually measure things using a tape measure. And it didn't matter if we gave them the generic one without any fractions on it, or we gave them the more construction-based one where there are actual fractions. Unless they were prompted, students didn't even use or acknowledge the fractions on the bottom half. And so our problem is that students just don't have a habit, in a sense, of how to read measurement when it comes to inches on a ruler or a tape measure. So we need your help. We need your help in designing some type of manipulative, some type of way for students to make this a habit or a more natural process for them so that it becomes routine, so that they are looking at a tape measure and automatically they are able to recognize the different notches and what they stand for in between each inch on the tape measure. So good luck, and that is where our problem is.